matter.
30?
32, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, can it be taken up immediately after the vacation?
Okay. On request made by Ms. B. Boyan, Level Senior Counsel for the petition. When do you want?
Immediate convent, Your Lordship. He has got all the relief except his current salary is to be paid.
24th. 24th April.
My Please.
May I please, Lord?
Oh.
Well, item 21, my lord. With the consent of other side, my lord, may kindly be adjourned after vacation, my lord.
You are Mr.
B. Rahman.
Okay, on request made by B. Raman, then counsel for petition. Yes, Mr. 2 weeks.
After vacation,
That will be after 2 weeks.
Lordship, date may be given, Lordship.
You want the date? Release the matter on. Hurt me.
not me. Interim order is there, my lord.
Interim order consolidated. Continue.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
I love
Mention the back to mention item number 19 year old.
19.
19.
Yes.
After 3 weeks year old.
You have 4?
For the petitioner year old. I've taken the consent of the article.
Okay. On request made by Mr.
A that
A. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Wish
after 3 weeks.
after 3 weeks.
Interim order to continue year old.
Interim order consolidated. Continue.
Much obliged.
May it please, my lord. My lord, this honorable court had allowed a matter to be listed today, my lord. My lord, but it has inadvertently not come out, my lord. Can it come at 2 o'clock, my lord? Production list. There is some urgency, my lord. It's a IA, my lord, for stay vacation, my lord.
For stay vacation.
My lord.
The notice only will have to go.
My lord, that will also do, my lord. Kindly, it may be taken up in the product. This honorable court had allowed it today, my lord. Allowed, my lord?
Yeah.
Oblige, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Also, with the consent of the address, I beg to mention item number 17 and 18, my lord.
17 and 18.
Lordship,
Yes.
I have misplaced my brief, my lord. I need to reconstruct it again.
Where did you misplace it?
Lordship, last occasion we appear after that. Lordship,
Have you taken the consent?
yes, my lord, I have taken consent of
Anybody
the
appearing?
petitioner. He is out of station, the petitioner also out of station.
Okay, on request made by Ms. MD Bora, Leonard
Standing Council Corporation.
Corporation Department, release the matter after.
Lordship, last week of this month or first week of May,
Release the matter on 6th May.
Lordship. I am so deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing on WBC, Lordship, matter pertains to commercial, Lordship. Lordship, it may be kindly listed on 19/4, Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
It is your lordship. I beg to mention item number 13. Your lordship.
13.
I appear on behalf of the petitioner. May come off in 2 weeks, your lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Lordship.
On request made by Mr. M.
Bottom lord.
Gautam, Leonard Counsel.
Please sound it.
May I please, my lord, I pray for listing of a writ petition for motion tomorrow, my lord. My lord, this matter relates to my lord Monday training course, my lord. The training was going on, but suddenly that training was stopped without any reason, my lord. That's that order I have challenged, my lord. So, if
Did it come out after the vacation?
my lord, there is some urgency because this course is only for 6 months, my lord, and already, my lord, a month, more than 15 days have over by halting this training, my lord. If possible, my lord.
We'll have it on 18.
18th. Oblige.
May it please, your Lordship. Also, with the concern of other side, I would like to mention item number 16 on daily list.
Yes. Yes.
Lordship, my senior, Mr. K.K. Mohanty, is having personal difficulty for today.
So when do you want?
Lordship, after vacation,
It's a matter of recruitment, Lordship. Advertisement is of the year 2020, Lordship. 24 so lying vacant because of
Okay, on request.
So Lordship will fix this matter on 19 plots.
Senior counsel for the petitioner.
19 plot.
Letter
PNR.
19.
1.
Okay.
apply your Lordship.
May I please, item number 37,
Yes.
can it be upgraded at 2 o'clock, my lord, because the I had one modification application, because the entire deficit proceeding has installed and all promotion has installed. So I want to modify our order that otherwise the result cannot be is held
We'll
up.
see. We'll see.
2 o'clock, my lord. I
We'll
will
see.
inform the
By
other side.
2 o'clock it should reach
I will inform the other side also.
whatever.
44 of supplementary list withdrawal.
In this case, my lord, chairman of the Goalpara Municipal Board, my lord, gave an undertaking, my lord, they will release our pensionary benefit, my lord. Therefore, I want to withdraw this case, my lord.
Next
With
time,
a liberty, my lord. K. Kolita.
K. Kalita Leonard Council for the petitioner press for withdrawal of this.
With a liberty, my lord.
With liberty to file appeal. Condemned petition is economic loss with liberty aspect.
My lord, liberty.
That's what I've said.
Yes, of, yes.
Item one of daily leave, motion.
But this matter, man, I've been told that PIL number 26 of 32 or the similar matter, my lord, has been disposed of. Let me take inspection, my lord. Let me come immediately after view, my lord.
Okay, on request made by Mr. J. Roy, Leonard Senior Counsel for the petition. List the matter on.
On my lord, 18th, my lord.
Did cover.
All right.
Two.
May I please? This is the contempt for non-compliance of the order. That's it. 14/6/2023. There is page number 13. It's the Milo total, madam.
Yes.
Yes, page number 13, third paragraph. May I read, madam?
Hmm.
In the interim, it is directed that neither the petitioner nor the respondent number 4 shall be allowed to hold the post of in charge principal of Bhubaneswar Higher Secondary School. The inspector of schools of the concerned district shall be allowed to hold the charge of in charge principal of the said school till the next returnable date, madam. Here, the respondent, the container number 2 is issuing the notices of the, in the name of the principal in charge, madam.
Who's
That
the condemner number 2?
container number 2 is the newly appointed in charge principal, madam.
Okay, heard Mr.
A Boro, my lord.
A. Bora.
A Boro.
A. Boro.
Boro,
Leonard
yes.
Counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 1 and 2 by registered post agent within 1 week. List after 6 weeks.
My lord. Oblige.
Three.
Let me Lordship, this contempt case has been filed against the order dated 18/5/2023, my lord. Whereby the honorable court has directed to the respondent authority to grant the benefit of third MACP within 3 months, my lord. That is relevant page is 10, my lord. Annexure 1, page 10, my lord.
Yes.
But
Lordship, on instruction, I am appearing for respondent number 2.
Hmm.
No, Lord, my instruction said it has already been sanctioned on 26 June 2023.
they have sanctioned, my lord, but benefit has not been granted to me till date, my lord.
Lord, kindly. It has been sanctioned on 26 June 2023.
Have you filed your Bakalatama?
Lordship, on instruction today, I am appearing, Lordship. Next page, the sanction order is there.
Already is there.
My lord, they have sanctioned it, but till date they have not granted me the benefit. Let them file their affidavit, my lord, then.
Lordship. Heard Mr.
V. Kumar, man.
V. Kumar Leonard Counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Mr.
SS, Lord.
S.S. Roy, Leonard Counsel, Leonard Counsel,
Lordship.
Leonard Counsel. Enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 2. And praise for how much time you want for filing your Vakalatama?
Lordship, within 2 weeks, we file.
Praise for 2 weeks time to file Vakalatama. Stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of
Lordship,
notice.
in this regard, respondent number 1, he is retired from service. No one is there, Lordship.
Then you
I
have,
will check.
then I can't issue notice when he has retired.
Lordship.
For the respondent number 2 only, my lord. Notice may be issued for the respondent number 2, my lord.
Okay, then. Notice on respondent number 1 is withheld for the time. List after.
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Already paid.
4,
So there is a IL lordship for correction of the petitioner's designation and appearance, lordship. So this man is working as a peon cum Chokidar lordship in the office of the Konokdolni Gaon Panchayat. But in the synopsis, we have written as tax collector lordship.
Where? Okay, heard Mr.
GG Google.
G.G. Gogol and the counsel for the petition, for the applicant. By this application, petitioner is praying for correction of the synopsis in writ petition number 1566 of the 2024. On the ground that the designation and office address of the petitioner has been wrongly given. He therefore submits that the petitioner may be correct, that the applicant may be permitted to correct the synopsis by indicating that the applicant is working as
Peon cum Chokidar
peon come together
in the
in the
Konokdolni
office of the
Gaon Panchayat.
Kanak Dalini Gaon Panchayat under Lakhimpur Jilla Parishad. Instead of working as tax collector within bracket casual worker in the office of the Narayanpur Gaon Panchayat under Lakhimpur Jilla Parishad. After considering the caution in the present affairs, the prayer for correction is allowed. I is disposed. In view of, in the main condition, in view of the order passed today in IL number 77. The petitioner is permitted to correct the synopsis in the present petition. Petitioner shall file an amended synopsis within a period of 1 week.
After 25 lordship.
Within a period of 1 week. List the matter on 29th.
Yes. No problem.
May I please have Lordship? Lordship, I am appearing through PNRT department.
Okay. In the application, the MS
And Bora.
N. Boral and the council appears for the PNRD department.
5,
Lordship, we've advised the authorities to sanction the amount. In the meantime, they have issued an order sanctioning according sanction of royal area pay. Lordship, we kindly have.
What is the prayer in your writ petition?
The stopping of,
Lordship?
against stopping of increment, my lord. In the meantime, they have released. I suppose. I think it's complied with, my lord.
This has been complied with.
Lordship, we have to take instructions, Lordship, that it be taken after vacation.
Okay, heard, then like the MSB Buyan and its senior counsel. Assisted by Mr. J. Das, Learned Counsel for the respondent number,
All the respondents.
for the respondents. Submits that the Secretary Assembly Legislative Assembly. No. Has produced an order dated 6th April 2024. By which the Secretary of Assam Legislative Assembly has accorded sanction for withdrawal of error pay in the scale pay with regard to the petitioner with effect from 1/7/2023. Stop. The order dated 6th April 2024 is placed on the court. Mr.
Use हो गया.
You cycle and the counsel for the petitioner prays for a short time to receive instructions. List on
20 seconds. Lordship.
24th.
Nice, Lordship.
See,
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, I had set for the combined competitive examination in 2022. I cleared my prelims, then I set for my mains paper. After which I learned that I was not selected. Then I checked my mark sheet via the website. So in my mark sheet, your lordship, which is at page 49, your lordship, in general 3 studies paper, your lordship, I was marked as invalid roll number. Thereafter, I filed an
1
RTI,
minute.
page 49, your lordship.
What is your roll number?
My roll number is,
Where's your admit card?
it's annexed at page 37 and 38, your lordship. 37 is the admit card for the prelims that I appeared, and
Where's
38
your roll number here?
three 3300519, your lordship.
Where can I see that? Where can I find that?
Is that the topmost, your lordship?
Top of the admit card?
Yes,
Page 38, madam.
At
30.
serial 7.
Serial number
38
7.
serial 7.
330051. Yes.
Thereafter, your lordship, I filed my RTI asking for my mark sheet, which I was told that I can't be given because of the Supreme Court rules. But I was told that all the information, any other information pertaining to the examination will be provided only after the completion of the examination. And I had to wait. Then I filed my representation on 29 to your lordship at Annexure 12, page 55. And so
Page?
far, your lordship, I have not received
Page?
55, your lordship. The RTI is at page 54. And representation is at page 55.
Order.
Page 54 is like.
54 is the RTI replies.
Yes.
It's asking for the representation.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
In the meantime, your lordship, the results have already been announced and there's been no communication from the end to my representation. Now, your lordship, I belong to the MOBC category. I appeared to 6 papers in total for my mains.
Where's the announcement of the results?
That would be it.
Result already announced, already appointment were made, everything completed, my lord. Now required information she will get, my lord. And so far is, my lord, one paper, my lord, what happened, she has incorrectly written the roll number, my lord. That is why, my lord, it doesn't need.
Your lordship, that's what I've been clear, but I'm very certain that I have not, because the remaining 5 papers,
that-
I've had no issues whatsoever. It's just only in this paper.
Your
alone
lordship
that is-
kindly bear a look on that, my lord. Your lordship kindly see. Now, my lord, examination is over, my lord. Required information she will get, my lord. Don't worry. And if he oppose, my lord, it will be available to her. But so far is, my lord, your lordship kindly see the roll number and what she has written. He.
Oh.
1 3 is missing. 1 0 is missing.
But your lordship, I had not received any.
Now she will
information
get,
from
my
the
lord. Now
answer.
everything she will get.
Then you give him, we'll take up.
My lord.
Yeah.
No,
When-
my lord.
When can you give
Already, my lord.
When can you give him the result,
Instruction.
the information?
Your lordship kindly see, my lord, page 54, my lord. We have already informed her.
Page?
54, my lord. Page 54. Page 54, my lord. Page 54, your lordship kindly see, my lord, dear. The photocopy of the answer sheet cannot be furnished as per Supreme Court order that is changed. 2. Other information relating to the CC to 2022 will be provided after the completion of the entire examination process. Now everything is over. She will get now. So, close to that, it will take care of.
But it got over on the first, your lordship, with genuine. I filed my representation on February and so
All right,
far, there's been no
your lordship
information
kindly
from the
direct
end.
her to dispose of his hard disk.
Your lordship did could file the affidavit.
No, if required, I'll file, my lord.
Not required.
My lord.
Practically, you have no case. This is the one.
I'll show you. I'll show you.
No roll, your roll number is wrong.
Okay, that was not provided, your lordship.
Yeah,
Maybe,
yes,
maybe. You provide a copy.
my lord.
Okay,
My-
but MS. You put
M Glory, your lordship.
M
Glory,
Glory,
yes.
Learned Council for the petition. Stop. Mr. T.J. Mahanda, Learned Senior Counsel. Standing Counsel
My lord. APS,
for the Assam Public Service Council. Place for how much time?
2 weeks time, my lord,
Place
within
for
2,
2 weeks time.
and let me 3 weeks, my lord.
Place for 3 weeks time. To enable the APSC to furnish necessary information to the petition.
My lord.
Praise the Lord. Please stop there. 3 weeks.
My- That may be given to me.
You take it back.
My lord, okay.
You can show her now.
No, no, that, no, that's fine.
Just have a look, sir. Okay, it's okay. Okay, your
7.
lordship.
May I please, your lordship? Madam, this is the matter pertains to appointment and compassionate appointment, madam, here. The petitioner further died on 1/5/2013, and thereafter I have applied for compassionate appointment on 13/6/2013. Accordingly, the DLC recommended my name against the one number of vacancy during the period of
Where's the
2013
recommendation of the DLC?
DLC, madam, yeah. It starts from page number 19. And relevant portion is page number 21, serial number 18. My lord. Page number 21, serial number 18. May I read, my lord? The proposal received from the EEPHA Shivsagar Division for the post of junior assistant, grade 3, in respect of Sri Sujit Kumar Bora, Sri Lohit Gogoi, and Sri Triloko Deuri. This is my email. Were found eligible for the consideration against one number of vacancy for the year of 2013 and 14. Sri Sujit Kumar Bora has fewer landed properties than other two applicants with 3 dependent. Thereafter, the DLC forwarded the proposal to the SLC, my lord. That is page number 26. And relevant portion is page number 29, my lord. Page number 29, serial number 1, 2, 3. That is belongs from the same establishment. All 3 has been rejected. On the ground of that does not fall under the 5% capital estimate. The serial number 3 is me, madam.
Serial number?
3.
When was the SLC held?
SLC held on 14/5/2020.
Why are you coming now?
My lord, thereafter, my lord, I have approached the authority and I have filed a representation, my lord. And on 16/11/2021, that is page number 33 in Excel,
Yeah.
5, my lord.
After this, what happened?
And thereafter, I have pursuing the authority, my lord, they have not considered my application, my lord. So I have to approach the honorable court, my lord.
2021, you made this representation.
Yes, my lord.
When did you get a copy of this SLC minutes?
Just before the 16/11/2021, my lord.
You got
After,
it.
yes, my lord. After getting this,
Then what were you doing from 2021?
but 16 November, I have filed application.
You have filed your application, that's
My
a
lord,
different
My
thing.
lord, my
But after you got your SLC minutes, where you were rejected,
my lord.
why are you coming now? Why are you
But-
coming today?
But thereafter, I have no knowledge that whether the new SLC were held or not, my lord.
How do you say that? You said you received your SLC when? When did you receive your SLC minutes?
SLC minutes that I have not in expect. But notice may be go, my lord.
You have
Well,
to explain your delay first. Satisfy this court on
Well-
your delay.
My lord. Sure.
Otherwise, lordship, there is no case, lordship. As per the judgment of the apex court Devabhrata Tiwari, it is categorically stated that reasonable, if the reasonable delay is there, lordship, the petition cannot be entertained also. Here in this.
No, let
lordship,
him answer. When did you receive your SLC minutes? You file an additional affidavit stating.
My lord, yes, my lord, I filed.
Mr.
A Boro, my lord.
A Bora.
A Boro, A Boro, B-O-R-O.
B.
A Boro, my lord.
A Boro.
Yes, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Shall find an additional affidavit. Stating, indicating. When the petitioner received a copy of the SLC minutes held on 14/5/22. List
After vacation, my lord.
after 2 weeks.
After vacation. Obliged.
8,
May it please your worship, my lord. In 1988, my lord, the petitioner was appointed as a constable, my lord. Subsequently, he was promoted to the post of Lance Nayak and thereafter to the post of Nayak, my lord. On 16/12/2014, my lord, he was sanctioned 4 days casual leave, which your lordship will find at page number 17, my lord. Page number 17.
Page number
17, my lord. Page number 17.
yes.
So, and NK Jogesh Gogoi, you are allowed to avail 4 days casual leave with effect from 20/12/2014 to 26/12/2014, my lord. Now, although his leave was till 26, he could not resume his duties, my lord, because of
So
his,
there was a DB.
there was a health condition. Thereafter, there was a DP. And finally, my lord, removal of service, my lord, page number 32. Lordship will find, my lord, page number 32. So the entire DP was ex parte, my lord, and he could not participate. He also filed an appeal. They did nothing about the appeal.
Show cause was issued to you.
My lord, it was issued, my lord, on 9/6/2015, my lord, page
Correct.
number 20.
Did you receive the show cause?
I received, my lord, but due to my health condition, I couldn't reply, my lord. My lord, there are two things I have challenged in this petition. Firstly, my dismissal order. And secondly, my lord, even if my dismissal order is stated to be correct, the period of suspension, my lord, because I was suspended on 17/6/2015, which your lordship had find at page 23, my lord. So I was placed under suspension 17/6/2015, and I was dismissed on 6/6/2016. So twofold prayer, my lord. Firstly, I have challenged the dismissal order. And secondly, my lord, even this suspension period, I'm entitled to the subsistence allowance, my lord. That is my limited prayer. At this stage, I'm only praying for a notice, my lord.
Have you filed an appeal?
Appeal is there, my lord, which your lordship will find at page number 34, my lord. Till date, they have not considered. They have not communicated it. Page 34, I have filed an appeal, my lord, departmental appeal.
Then let them dispose the appeal.
And my lord, they'll take in, while deciding the appeal, that subsistence allowance, my lord, this entitlement also, that factor will also they will consider while considering this appeal, that portion also they'll consider, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, there are substantial delay in challenging the order of dismissal. This was of 2016.
So
And regarding payment also, Lordship is more than 4 years, Lordship. They are asking for these things.
Not more than
So
4
there
years.
is-
From 17/6/2015 to
see, what is that there is an appeal pending.
It is their,
That
Uh,
appeal has not been disposed
their
of.
statement, Lordship. It is their statement.
Has it been disposed or not?
till now, nothing has been communicated, my lord.
Then you take instructions with
Lordship, I
the appeal. After that, we'll dispose of this
Lordship.
matter.
Lordship.
Third, Mr. A.K. Barwal and counsel for the petition. MSM Bhattacharya, learned additional civil government shall take instructions whether the appellate authority has disposed the appeal filed by the petitioner on 30/6/2016. Stop. List on.
Lordship, in the
How much time will require?
last week of April, Lordship,
Okay. 30 April.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Obliged.
9,
Lordship, a similar matter, my lord, this honorable court, my lord, past my earlier occasion, my lord, past interim protection, my lord, not to take any coercive action, my lord.
Where is that?
My lord, it is a page 109, my lord. Your lordship order.
My lord, as per notification, my lord, that is my lord, page 88, my lord.
Where's the OM?
That is page 88, my lord. 6 October 2022, my lord. Next are 10, my lord, page 88.
Yes,
I will take notice, lordship.
heard Mr. L. Dianke and then the counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Mr. DJ Das, learned CGC, enters appearance and accepts notice
1 and 2 yellow.
on behalf of all the respondents.
All the respondents.
On behalf of
Only
all the-
two respondents.
Accordingly, notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies of the petition be furnished to the learned CGC. Within the course of the day,
Lordship.
list the matter up to forward. Till the next suitable date. No coercive action shall be taken against the single petitioner
Yes, lordship.
against the petitioner. In terms of the OM dated 6/10.
Not problem.
Then,
Lordship, I have been compelled to approach this honorable court because selection to the post of Kamura. I have filed appeal before the Director of Land Records. He is not taking the case. We have filed application for urgency of the matter. Lordship will find page 58. 58 is the petition filed by us to the Director of Land Records to take the case. Lordship, selected candidate was not a resident of the village where Gambura selection has been held. And he has 3 children. As per evidence on record, we have produced the record that he has 3 children. A person having 3 children cannot become contest for post of Gambura. I have only 1. Lordship will kindly see page 24.
Page.
24.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a certificate issued by the Gaon Pradhan that the selected candidate, Jivmoni, has 3 children. Lordship, got it? Last portion. He's having 3 children. And he is resident of Samota Lat number 2. But this is not the village where I have contested. And he has been selected. Lordship will find the select list at page 23. Page 23, Lordship will find serial number 7. Samota Lat number 3. He is a resident of Samota Lat number 2. And he has been selected. He is not resident of the same village. He has 3 children. As per advertisement, he cannot be selected. He cannot be selected. Lordship, kindly see advertisement at page 14.
Okay. Yes, Hendrik.
Lordship. My pensioner has a limited care, lordship. They are.
We'll discuss it.
Dispose it. Lordship.
Heard Mr.
SK Goswami.
SK Goswami, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. J. Hendrik, learned standing counsel, Revenue.
Lordship.
For respondents,
1 and 2, lordship.
1 and 2, Mr. D. Bora, learning government advocate. For the respondents, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, and 5. So. Para. Pursuant to a notice dated 26/5/2022, by which applications were invited for filling up the vacant posts of 101 numbers of Gaon Pradhan under different revenue circles under Nalbari district. The petitioner applied for the post of Gaon Pradhan under Chamata lot number 3. Correct? Chamata lot number 3. Stop. However, comma, the petition, the private respondent number
6.
6, namely Jilimoni Devi, was selected for the set Jamata lot number 2. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the private responder number 6 is not a resident of Jamata lot number 2, and she has 3 children, and therefore she could not have been selected for the post of Bon Prata, Jamata lot number 2. Stop. The being agreed, Sapara. Petitioner filed an appeal before the Director of Land Records and Service Assam on 21/2/2024, correct?
Appeal number 10 of 2024.
Which is registered as appeal number
10 of 2024.
10 of 2024. Where is that? Where can we find that?
Page 43.
Appeal number 10 of 2024. Stop.
It has been filed, my lord, whether there is no receipt. Whether it is
Whatever it is. When did you file your appeal?
Lordship, receipt will find page 58.
No. When did you file your appeal?
23/02/2024.
On top you say. Where is the date?
Lordship will find page
below.
58. Last portion, receipt 23/2/2024.
On 23 to. Stop. What did I say? The grievance of the petition. So, the grievance of the petitioner before the court is that despite filing the appeal under instruction number 162 within bracket C of the Assam Land Revenues Regulation 1886 within bracket amendment 2024, the Director of Land Records and Service Assam oblique responder number
2 Lordship.
is yet to dispose of the said appeal. Para. Considering the short question involved, district petition is disposed of. Directing the respondent number 2 to consider and dispose of the appeal filed by the petitioner on 23/2/2024 within the period of in accordance with law. Within the period of
it will be better, Lordship, my lord, that till 4 June, my lord, they will be busy in the election. They have to.
director and all, they will not be so busy. Within 2 months,
3 months, Lordship.
within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of a copy of the order. With the above.
In the meantime, Lordship not to give appointment, Lordship. Otherwise,
No,
they
my lord, they
Lordship has passed this order.
already been appointed, Lordship,
Lordship
my
has,
lord, they have-
Lordship has,
Where the appointment has to be
no,
made.
Lordship, they are going to appoint back
Then,
date,
Lordship,
Lordship.
my lord, my
Back
lord,
there,
can
they are going to
take
appoint, Lordship.
instruction, whether the appointment has been made or not, my lord, let him, my lord, take instruction, my lord.
Lordship has already
If
passed
already
order.
been appointed, my lord, then how?
Okay, we'll do one thing on top.
Lordship has already passed this order.
It is the case of the petitioner that the respondent number 6, that no appointment order has been issued to the respondent number 6 till date. Stop. Considering the submission made, if no appointment order has been made to the respondent number 6 till date.
Matter is taken by the Director, Board of Building.
Then it's considering the submission made, it is directed that no appointment order shall be issued to the respondent number 6. If not only the appointed, stop. If not only till the disposal of the appeal filed.
Obliged.
45 of supplementary list motion.
Please, Lordship. Well, I was a temporary employee. I was a computer operator, my lord, in APDCL. I was appointed on 21/2012. And thereafter, my lord, I have been rendering my service
On 14/8/2018, my lord, APDCL issued an advertisement for the post of office cum field assistant, which your lordship will find at page number 31, my lord. Page number 31. Your lordship will find, my lord, the advertisement. APDCL. Your lordship will see the date, my lord, 14th August, and for the post of office cum field assistant. And if your lordship kindly turns to the next page, page 32, serial number 1, office cum field assistant, and experience, your lordship will kindly note, my lord, contractual workers under direct employment of APDCL, AGCL, APGCL, and any other power sector PSU engaged in meter reading, bill preparing, bill dispatching, data entering, and typing, and who have rendered service for not less than a minimum of 5 years. So, my lord, minimum 5 years experience was sought for. Being eligible, my lord, I applied. My application, your lordship will find at page 37. Page number 37, my lord. My name is indicated in the top, name Purushottam Bhagwati, and at the bottom, my lord, total experience is 5 years, 2 months, 23 days, page 37. Thereafter, my lord, an admit card was also issued to me, which your lordship will find at page 41. My lord, name of the candidate, roll number 80800. Page 41 is my admit card. Roll number 80800, and date of examination is 28/4/2019. That is the date of written examination, my lord. My lord, I participate in the written examination, my lord. I successfully cleared it. And thereafter, I was, my lord, provincially shortlisted for recruitment, which your lordship will find at page number 42, my lord. Page 42. It is a notice dated 10/2/2020. And this is what the notice says. With reference to the advertisement dated 14/8/2018, the experienced candidates of APDCL, APGCL, AEGCL who have appeared in the OMR-based examination held on 28/4/2019 for the post of office cum field assistant experienced, bearing following roll numbers are provincially shortlisted for recruitment test subject to successful completion of document verification on 24/2/2020 at APDCL Training Center. And if your lordship kindly turns to the next page, page 43, my lord. My lord, 4th column from the left and 7th row from the top, your lordship will find my roll number 80800. My number is there. Document verification stage came, my lord. I was there 24/2/2020. I produced all my documents. Everything was found to be proper and genuine. As I was awaiting for my appointment letter, my lord, they issue me a show cause notice, which your lordship will find at page 44. Page 44, they issue a show cause notice. Instead of giving me an appointment letter, they give me a show cause. 28/9/2020, page number 44, my lord. It says notice for showing cause against termination from temporary engagement as outsourced computer operator. And your lordship will kindly note, my lord, whereas from the report dated 17/9/2020. So some kind of report they are referring to, submitted by the general manager. It is revealed that you had conspired to collect illegal gratification from the applicants in the matter of appointment on compulsion and ground. And again, they refer to a report, the second paragraph. And whereas the report dated 17/9/2020 reveals that you obtained a list of probable eligible candidates of North Lakhimpur and with their contact details, and you had direct conversation with them. And they say, and whereas in your written statement, you have confessed except the act of demanding illegal gratification. My lord, written statement is generally, my lord, given after the show cause notice. That shows the perversity of the, my lord, the show cause notice at page 44. No list of documents, no list of witnesses, no statement of allegation, completely vague allegations, my lord. Page 44, they give me a show cause, my lord, and I reply to the same, which your lordship will find at page 45. If your lordship kindly turns to the next page, I reply to the show cause notice, my lord. Relevant portion is at page 47 at the last paragraph. Page 47, last paragraph, my lord, paragraph 5, I state that, sir, I have not committed any act of misconduct as reportedly alleged in the show cause notice. I have full respect towards the authority. I have been working in the defense since last 9 years without any complaint from any corner. I have given my best services to the department during 9 years service with all sincerity and devotion. I have not done anything against the interests of APDCL. Under the above facts and circumstances, I fervently prayed that your honor would be pleased to. So I, my lord, strongly deny the allegations. And at page 48, they issue the order of termination. Page 48, 10/11/2020. I'll not trouble your lordship with the entire order, just the relevant portion. The second last paragraph from the bottom, it says, and whereas your written reply submitted by Sri Purushottam Bhagwati against the show cause notice dated 28/9/2020 is found to be contradictory to his statements given during the inquiry process. and not in line with the enquiry report dated 17/9/2020. Not in line with enquiry report, my lord. Can it be an enquiry report? Can the enquiry precede the show cause notice, my lord? That is the perversity. And finally, my lord, the last line, an extremely stigmatic order, my lord. The last second line, they say, therefore, it is hereby ordered that Sri Purushottam Bhagwati shall not be engaged any further in any capacity in APDCL. I had no other option, my lord. I approached this honorable court. And once I approached this honorable court by means of a writ petition, which was registered and numbered as 5190 of 2020, they, to justify their actions, my lord, they annex an inquiry report, which your lordship will find at page 50. Page 50, my lord, inquiry report. And your lordship will kindly mark the date 17 September 2020. And the next page, my lord, page 51. The next page, page 51. Total 3 persons, it's an inquiry report about, it's a so-called inquiry report. It is not an inquiry report in terms of 311(2). 3 persons, my lord, Karan Das, Suman Das, and Purushottam Bhagwati. These Karan Das and Suman Das are assumed that they are working in the department, my lord. And finally, your lordship had disposed of this, the writ petition, page 73, it starts, my lord. And the relevant portion is at page number 110. Page 110, paragraph 32, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, page 110, paragraph 32, this honorable court says, under such circumstances where the termination of an employee on temporary service is not termination simpliciter, but the same is punitive or stigmatic in nature, the employee is certainly entitled to protection under Article 311 of the Constitution of India. And the operative portion, your lordship will see at page 112, my lord. 112, paragraph 37, my lord. This is the operative part.
Yes.
Paragraph 37, this court is of the view that ends of justice will be met if this writ petition is disposed by permitting the petitioner to file an appeal before the appellate authority as per the rules prescribed. If no appellate authority is prescribed under the rules or the instructions, the appeal shall be preferred before the chairman. If the appeal is filed within 4 weeks, then appellate authority will decide on merits. The appellate authority upon such an appeal preferred by the petitioner will decide the appeal by taking all relevant facts and circumstances into account, as well as the law laid down by the apex court, as well as this court. In the event the appeal is decided in favor of the writ petition, then the impugned termination order dated 10/11/2020 shall be withdrawn, and the petitioner will be deemed to be in service, and he shall be entitled to all back wages and other service benefits. If the appellate authority rejects the appeal so preferred by the petitioner, then they will be at liberty to enforce the impugned termination order. Accordingly, my lord, I file a departmental appeal which starts at page 115. And I have narrated the factual background and the grounds at page 117 and 18. And the appellate authority's order, your lordship will find at page 120, my lord. It starts at 120 and the relevant portion is at 121, the grounds of rejection. They fail to apply their mind, my lord. Page 121, they say, number 1, enough opportunity was given when the inquiry officer had done the inquiry. So, my lord, as on that, they are thinking the inquiry report dated 79 is an inquiry, my lord, in terms of 311(2). Which cannot be the case, my lord. An inquiry cannot precede the show cause notice. If they have conducted an inquiry and they issue a show cause, that means, my lord, the vindictiveness is apparent. They are predetermined, my lord. And this is what they say, my lord, had done the inquiry and in the process of statements of various persons were taken and thereby employee was issued show cause notice. And then they say, my lord, the third line, grounds of rejection, the employee himself admitted twice, that is by statements on 25/8/2020 and 27/8/2020. So they say that I have admitted twice on 25/8/2020 and 27/8/2020. Now, if your lordship reads page 121 with, my lord, 53, page 53, my lord, just for a moment, page 53 is the inquiry report.
That I've seen.
Your lordship has seen, my lord, first sitting, serial number 4, first sitting is during the period with effect from 1/9/2020 to 3/9/2020. Second sitting, my lord, page 54, serial number 7 on 9/9/2020. Serial number 9, third sitting was on 12/9/2020. And my lord, the fourth sitting was serial number 13 on 18/9/2020. So if your lordship kindly sees page number 121, They say statements on 25/8/2020 and 27/8/2020. When there was no sitting of the inquiry process, how can they get these statements, my lord? This itself shows that the first ground is perverse on the face of the record. Secondly, my lord, they say, page 121, the second ground, they say, my lord, as per regulation 10 of AACB General Service Regulation 1960, my lord, clause D, taking or giving bribes is considered to be an act of misconduct. Now, if your lordship kindly sees, my lord, I'll just place the rules.
Now, what happened after this?
My lord, they rejected my appeal, and therefore, my lord, I file an RTI, and RTI reveals, your lordship will see, my lord, page 123 is my RTI. I asked them how many vacancies, page number 123, my lord, second question. And third question, I asked them how many vacancies are there, and page 124 at serial number 3, my lord, they say as on date there are 808 post in my lord office cum field assistant. But therefore, I am praying, my lord, at this stage out and out an illegal order. But then your lordship will have to examine by issuing notice.
No, after your appeal was dismissed.
Then, my lord, I filed this RTI.
RTI is a different thing.
My lord, since my
What is
department,
your explanation in approaching this court at this stage?
my lord, appeal was rejected on 16/10/2023.
21, I think.
No, my lord, if your lordship kindly, that's very wrongly, my lord, page number 120.
120, 16, 10, 20,
My
21.
lord, that is wrongly typed, my lord. If your
How
lordship,
can you say?
my lord, it cannot be, my lord, because my departmental appeal is on 27/2023. If your lordship sees, that is the, if your lordship sees page 121, the second line, last line from bottom, they say appeal petition dated, my lord, page 121, the last two lines, they say, my lord, appeal petition dated 27/2023 submitted by Sri Purushottam Bhagwati is disposed of accordingly. So they are deciding my appeal dated 27/2023. So this order cannot be dated to 16/10/2021, my lord. Total non-application of mine. If your lordship sees, my lord, page 121, last two lines, and compares it with the top date at page 120,
No, that's fine.
they wrongly typed.
Where's your appeal?
My lord, my appeal, your lordship will find at page number, my lord, 115.
27.
115 is my departmental appeal. So therefore, all I'm paying, my lord, one post of the office cum field assistant may
No,
not be
that-
filled up without the leave of this court, my lord.
There are sufficient posts.
My lord,
There are sufficient posts now.
my lord,
At this stage,
my lord.
I'm not passing any order. I'll pass because your interim will be considered on the next. Week. Yes, you are appearing?
Lordship, I'm appearing in defense of my senior. So at the morning time only I got the records to see the file. So Lordship, I will not say anything right now. I need some time. So if you give another report.
But Mr. A.K. Boro will consider, please. Issue notice. You are appearing on behalf of
1 to 4, my APDC 1 to 4.
Mr.
Sorry,
Your good name,
A Kashyap,
A. Kashyap,
on
Leonard
behalf
Thompson,
of SP Shah.
appearing on behalf of Mr. S.P. Sharma, Leonard Standing Counsel.
APDC.
Accepts notice on behalf of respondent. On behalf of all the respondents. Notice on respondent, however extra copies. List the matter after 4 weeks. Prayer for interim shall be considered on the next week.
But a fixed date may be given since the interim order is to be considered.
Please, what, right? List the matter on 13th May.
Obliged.
You want to pass it.
46.
May I praise the Lord?
Yes.
Lordship, the facts of the case are such that Lordship, the petitioner was serving as a superintendent in the District Industries and Commerce Center, Moshalpur, Buxar. Now on 6th of December, Lordship, an FIR was lodged against him on grounds of sexual harassment. He was taken into custody and on the very next working day, he was released. Lordship, be that as it may, he was reinstated, he was serving. Subsequently, Lordship, an internal committee was formed under the provisions of the Prevention of Sexual Harassment at Workplace Act 2013. Now, Lordship, we had reliably learned that the internal committee
arrived at a finding that the allegation of sexual harassment could not be proved. Subsequently, Lordship, in spite of that finding,
By the internal inquiry committee,
Lordship,
by the internal.
Internal Inquiry Committee under the Act of 2013. Now, subsequently, Lordship, a suspension order was issued against us. We had challenged that order before this Honorable Court that is pending in WBC 419 of 2024. Now, thereafter, Lordship, on 27th of January, they serve upon us a show cause notice. That show cause notice, your Lordship will find at page 37.
Yes.
May I read it, Lordship? You are hereby required to show cause under Rule 9 of the Assam Services Discipline and Appeal Rules, read with Article 311 of the Constitution as to why any of the penalties prescribed in Rule 7 should not be inflicted upon you. That you, while serving as the Superintendent of Industries of the Office of ADCI Tamilpur, you had reported to have offended the modesty of a female officer in your office premises. It has been alleged that on so-and-so you had sexually harassed and inappropriately touched so-and-so in the office of the so-and-so in your office premises. Your above acts tantamount to serious
Then what happened?
Lordship. Your Lordship will kindly mark one thing therein. In the bottom, they had stated, you should submit your written statement in defense within 10 days from the date of receipt of this communication, provided you do not intend to inspect the documents which have relevance with the issue under inquiry. In case you intend to inspect those documents, you should write to the undersigned for the same within 7 days from the date of receipt of this communication and to submit your explanation thereafter within 10 days. Now, Lordship, we had prayed because the internal committee had already arrived at its finding and that was submitted. Now, page 41, we had prayed for furnishing a copy of the internal inquiry report. Page 41, Lordship. We had prayed that the internal inquiry report be furnished to us because without producing that, we are not in a position to file an effective reply to the show cause notice. That was not furnished to us. In the meantime, Lordship, page 46, this Honorable Court by order dated 15/3/24, page 46, Lordship. By order dated 15/3/24, this Honorable Court, your Lordship will find at the bottom, the respondents are directed. Page 46, Lordship.
Yes.
The fifth line from second paragraph, Lordship. Second paragraph, fifth line. It starts with the respondents are directed. The respondents are directed to furnish a copy of the internal inquiry report to the petitioner, and the petitioner shall submit his reply to the inquiry report upon receiving such documents within a period of 10 days from the date of receipt of the report. This order was communicated on 19th of March, that is at page 48. That the Honorable Court has directed, please comply with the directions of the Honorable Court's order and furnish us the copy. Now, Lordship, without furnishing us the copy, on the next date, page 50, dated 20th of March 2021, this was served to us on 2nd of April. They appoint a presenting officer to initiate inquiry against the petitioner. Now, Lordship, without giving us the copy of the report, without allowing us to file a reply to the show cause notice, violating the court's order, wherein this court had directed them to give us the copy and thereafter grant us 10 days, completely brushing aside all those, they come and appoint a presenting officer to inquire into the charges, Lordship. Now, Lordship, my right to file a written statement has been taken away against the show cause notice. This shows their predetermined mindset. And this Honorable Court specifically directed them to give us a copy that has not been given. And even the Assam Disciplinary Appeal Rules, your Lordship knows, only after a written statement of defense is received or the time has expired, can they proceed with the inquiry. Now, in that case, that is not the case. That cannot be attracted, Lordship, because I have not been served with a copy in spite of the directions. And even otherwise, Lordship, it's a settled principle that as per the Act of 2013, when the section 13, if your Lordship takes that up, section 13 prescribes that where the internal committee has arrived at a finding that the allegation could not be framed, no further action is to be taken in the matter. However, in spite of that report, this.
Yes, Kalita.
Lordship, first of all, Lordship, there was a direction from the Honorable Court, that is correct, Lordship. Because it seems like they have submitted on 19th and 20th only they have issued this notice. Whether they have received or they were aware of this direction of or not. That, Lordship, I am not very sure about this, but I could not get the instruction. I was trying to call them, but I could not get any instruction. So, Lordship, because there is a direction to give this. They'll have to give this. So, Lordship, give me probably a couple of days, I'll take an instruction. Next day, Lordship can pass an order, whatever, Lordship.
But don't proceed with the DP till you get the instructions.
Lordship.
Don't proceed with the DP.
Lordship.
Lots,
Do you want me to issue notice?
lots of issues.
Issue notice, will give you something. But Mr.
A Chakraborty, Lordship.
A. Chakravarti, Learned Counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Mr. N. Kalita.
Ekalita.
Yeah, oh, sorry, A. Kalita. Then it's standing counsel,
For all the respondents.
industries, commerce. What is PE?
Public enterprises.
Standing council, industries, commerce and public enterprises, department, Assam. Accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. Accordingly, notice of respondents are complete, however, extra population. Stop. List the matter after 4 weeks, 3 weeks.
3 weeks, Lordship.
After 3 weeks. Stop. Till the next sustainable day. The petition, the respondents are direct not to proceed with the departmental proceeding initiated against the petition.
Lordship, they had also sent a proposal for payment of provisional pension. My provisional pension has also not been paid till date. They have moved a proposal
The
that is
proposal is only there, isn't it?
But that will be
Proposal
separately
is
done,
there,
Lordship. That means if application is there, then
application I have an
You have already retired.
I have already retired, Lordship.
When did you retire?
On 31st of January, 2024, no provisional pension.
That proposal is already there.
Proposal is
We'll see on the
Lordship.
next.
Lordship.
Obliged, sir.
11 of daily leave, implement of party.
May I please, your lordship?
Please. Yes.
Your lordship, this is an IA praying for implement of three persons. May I take your lordship the page number 8? Your lordship, here Samilal Kumar Brahma, Indrajit Hasnu and Debojyoti Bathari. These 3 persons, we are praying that may this 3 person be included as
What
a.
are your address?
Your lordship, unfortunately, the petitioners are unaware of their residential address and their present posting address. Therefore, we are praying that may the notice be served on the head office. However, your lordship, on the last occasion, similar matter, it was permitted to the petitioner that substitute notice can be served. So here also, your lordship, we can serve the notice by substitutive method.
Yes, Goswami?
Lordship, we received the instruction, Lordship, here in this case, Lordship.
No, on the implement.
Implement. IFI for implement, Lordship.
By this application, Hurt MS
Are not.
are not learned counsel for the applicant. Also heard Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned government advocate,
Yes, that is something.
additional senior government advocate. For the respondents,
All the responsibilities, except the Lordship, all the government responsibilities.
for the,
All the responded, Lordship,
for the respond.
all the.
By this application, the applicants are praying for implement of Samilal Kumar Brahma, Indrajit Hasnu, and Debojyoti Bhattaria. They are serving as what?
Your lordship, they are serving as subedars.
Who are serving as subedars in
In Home Guards organization.
the Home Guards organization. As party respondents 4, 5, and 6 in the BBC number 618, 619 of 2024. Stop. You have any objection? No, Mr. J.K. Goswami, then the additional senior of the has not. This court has also perused the question of the present application and it's satisfied. And actually, and accordingly, the prayer for treatment is allowed. Highest disposed. In view of the order, in the main petition, in view of the order first degree A number 7. It so and so we have treated as party respondents 4, 5, and 6, the present content, present petition. So, para, general counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners are not aware of the present address of the newly included respondents 4, 5, and 6. That the petitioners are not aware of the present address nor the permanent address of the newly included respondents 4, 5, and 6. And therefore, price for posting notice on the state respondents by substitute service. So, where is allowed? Petitioners are allowed to serve notice on the respondents 4, 5, and 6 by substitute service, by publishing the notice in 2 local newspapers and wide circulation in the state of Assam. Within bracket, 1 in vernacular and 1 in English. Within a period of
2 weeks.
2 weeks. From today. Showing the returnable documents. 15th of May. 2023. Thereafter, petitioner shall file an affidavit to the effect. Please the matter on 15th. The petitioners are also directed to file an amended post within a period of 1 week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
1 week. from-
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
12, admission.
Oops.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, may I kindly pass over the matter for time being. Lordship, my senior, Mr. S. Dutta, senior advocate, he is on lakes at code number 3.
Yes.
Taken up after vacation, Lordship.
We'll take up after vacation.
Yes, Lordship.
Who's your senior counsel?
S. Dutta.
On request made on behalf of S. Dutta, the senior counsel for the petitioner. You want the date or after 2 weeks?
Lordship, after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
14,
In this matter, I am seeking for 2 weeks.
Yes.
time, Lordship.
Why?
File affidavit. Lordship, what happened, Lordship, in the meantime, there is a change
It
of.
was filed in 2018.
Lordship, in the meantime, Lordship, what happened, Lordship? There was a change of council, Lordship. And during the changing of the council, Lordship, handing over and taking over, this file has been misplaced, Lordship. That's why, Lordship, I have requested my learned senior also, and he has given his consent also.
Not 2 weeks, my lord, 10 days, my lord.
10
Because,
days will make no difference because Bihu holidays are there.
my lord, that is just after view, my lord, because I have been,
Heard Mr. P.K. Roy Chowdhury, the counsel for the petitioner. No. On request made by Mr. R.M. Das. Learned Standing Council,
Water resource.
Water Resources Department. List the matter again on, give a date.
Lordship. Can it be on 26th?
On 26 to enable him to file counter.
My lord,
15.
item number 12, my lord, there was some miscommunication, my lord. I am otherwise ready to do it, my lord. Item number 12.
Okay. I've already passed orders otherwise. Yes, J.K. Goswami,
Item 12. I was about to do it, my lord. Some miscommunication, my lord. Therefore, my,
R. Devi,
well, I have already sent for her. I have already sent for her. If your lordship permits to do it, my lord.
provided you are ready. Are you ready?
I have no role to play, my lord. He is the, I mean, he was the main person, my lord. So far, I was the main so person. far now, my lord, he was the main person. And now, my lord, because of the circumstances that has developed in the case, my lord, the ball shifts to the court of the central government.
Madam, I am appearing on behalf of the CIWTC, madam. On the CIWTC method, the name of the CIWTC has been removed from the method, register of the register companies. Even madam, now madam, today madam, I have no existence.
Just
All the liabilities and my lord,
check up
assets
on
are all
R.
in-
Devi. She was quite reluctant to take up the matter. That's it.
That is, my lord, because of the circumstances now that has developed. Now it has come on affidavit from the respondents that the retrenchment was illegal. By the averments that have been made in the affidavit by the respondents, my lord, it now appears that the retrenchment of the writ petitioners were illegal. So now if the retrenchment is illegal, now the responsibility has to be taken by the central government to do the consequential actions. That is the case. Case is otherwise, my lord, very simple and within a very short compass. May I just begin, your lordship?
Okay. Have you called her?
Yes, I have already sent for her. Or after some time, my lord, after the next case. As your lordship please.
May it please your lord.
Hmm.
I'm the petitioner, your lordship. This matter concerns with the appointment of a supervisor under the social welfare department. The case of my case is that, your lordship, they have been, I'm in the select list at page number 57, your lordship.
Affidavits have been exchanged?
Yeah, already pleadings are completed, your lordship. I'll come, your lordship.
You're ready?
Lordship, record is not available here. Because this is the matter for selection.
No, you should have got the records. You don't have?
No, I don't. Record is required.
When can you get the record?
It's after Bihu, lordship, after writing.
What Mr. Nadari, another concept of issue.
At a date we fix, your lordship.
On the, on request made by Mr. J.K. Kosami and additional senior governor. List the matter on, when do you want?
On 28, lordship.
28 is a Sunday.
Lordship.
3rd May,
3rd May.
to enable him to produce the reports.
Oblige, your lord.
She has come. Devi has come.
Where is Devi? Are you ready?
That's it. That's it.
Are you ready to take up the matter or after Bihu?
Look,
Today, you're ready?
maybe taken out after Bihu also. Otherwise, I will have final.
Oh, it's a law.
That will fine.
It's a long pending matter, my lord, 2016 matter.
Oh.
On 19.
Data fixed matter, fixed.
19 maybe. 19.
Huh?
19.
This 18, 19, 20, 19 is an election day, is it? No.
Yes, 19, no, 19 in
19
some
holidays.
parts.
19 holidays, 18.
18 maybe.
18, 19, 20, maybe this court may not be the,
Yes.
anyway, some other court can take up.
22 or 23.
Or.
But in that case,
23.
if your lordship takes it up on 20, no, 23, chalega sir. On 25th, my lord.
Heard Mr. S.
Look.
Tatal, senior counsel, assisted by MS. R. Medi, senior counsel for the petitioner. On request made by MS R. Devi, then this the matter on 25th.
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 Kindly bus over for time being. Senior on legs in port 1.
Yes,
Time being.
after some time.
Yes, oblige.
22.
May it please your lordship. My lord, in this case, petitioner is eligible for
No, who is the respondent in this matter?
CGC, my lord, B. Chakravarti.
Hmm?
CGC B. Chakravarti.
Yes, RDV.
Right. This Biplab Chakravarti, yes. Biplab Chakravarti.
He is against Union of India.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Piece of property is appearing, let's say.
Oh,
Piece of property.
Biplab Chakraborty.
The Biplab Chakraborty is appearing,
where is he?
let's say. I will inform, let's say. It may be taken after some time,
Last time also there was none appeared for the list.
let's say, I will. Public.
20.
But here the issue is one of imposing compulsory retirement on the petitioner on the ground of medical unfitness. Now, this honorable court has taken up the issue, decided the issue that they could not have compulsorily retired me without following the due process given in the Assam Rifle rules to compulsory retire me under FR 56. So, it has been decided by the Meghalaya High Court also. Matter went up to the division bench. Division bench has also allowed the petitioners to be reinstated in service. Now, if Lordship will kindly have the being that I have now, my lord, is Lordship will have the letter, my lord, where they say that this retention in service would only be given to those persons who approach the honorable court and get an order in their favor.
Where is this?
That letter I'm showing. That is my lord at page 47. I'm sorry, page 46. Should be fine. Page 47, my lord.
47,
my lord. Lordship will find you are requested to cancel the retirement order who are proceeding on pension in LMC category. Those pensioners who are willing to continue in service further, their service review will be carried out afresh and persons will be allowed to continue in service. Therefore, if individual is willing to proceed on voluntary retirement, fresh retirement order may please be issued as per guideline. Retirement order can be issued at least 90 days prior. So, Lordship will find that even those cases where the retirement orders were being given, they were being recalled. Those who are about to be retired, they are being allowed to stay. Only those persons who already stood retired prior to coming into the existence of letter that 8 November 2021, my lord, they have been.
What is this LMC?
LMC is my lord, low medical category.
Oh.
And Lordship will have page 92 for a moment. Page 92, my lord. Starts at page 91. It is of your affidavit in opposition. No, it's a part of the affidavit in opposition Lordship has. This is a policy of 22nd of October 2021, my lord, where they say discontinuance of retirement of low medical category persons on retiring pension on completion of 30 years of service or attaining 50 or 55 years of age. Now, Lordship would kindly have page 92. Para 5, my lord. Para 5A. Already settled closed cases will not be reopened for any reasons. Persons who have already retired under these provisions will not be reinstated in service. Now, Lordship will find. However, in case of persons in whose favor judgments are passed by the honorable courts will be reinstated in service forthwith. So it is only, my lord, when we go back with a order from this honorable court that we should be reinstated back in service for their own policy, it is then they will take us back into service.
Does this policy still stand?
Yes.
It stands.
Stands, that's it. This policy stands, but here it is petitioner said that notice was not served, but notice has already served, the order has been served on before 3 weeks.
That
The
is
3 months.
inconsequential.
On-
When they could not have retired me on medical grounds, this honorable court has already held that if a person is found to be in a low medical category, then, my lord, the process to be followed is that the commandant has first to come to a conclusion that he is not being able to serve properly, number one. he has to send before a medical board. Medical board has to say that he is not fit to serve any further. Thereafter, they can take a step of allowing me to go on invalidation pension. What they have done is, if lordships will kindly come to the orders which I have which I have impugned, that lordship will find in their affidavit in opposition, which is a page, my lord, you'll find it at. Yes, lordship will find a page 89. Whereas the Director General Assam is of the opinion that it is in the public interest to do so. Now, therefore, in exercise of powers conferred by Rule 48(1)(b) of the CCS Pension Rules 1972, the Commandant Assam Rifle hereby gives notice to so and so that he, on completing 30 years of qualifying service for pension on the 31st of August 2020, shall retire from service on the forenoon of 1/9/2020. This 48(1)(b) empowers them to retire me once I have completed 30 years of service. The ground for which they are retiring me is because I am in a low medical category. But completing 30 years of service and having a low medical category are two very different aspects of service life. This honorable court has
So
held,
this is the order
which I am impugning, my lord,
in the writ petition.
in the writ petition. They have retired me under this order. People came before this honorable court. There was a stack of litigations before this honorable court. Lordship will find that this was passed in 2019. I was retired during the COVID period, madam. I could not approach at that particular point of time. People who have been retired prior to me had approached the honorable court. People who have retired after me have approached the honorable court. I have also approached this honorable court. This honorable court came to a finding that no, you cannot retire a person under 48(1)(b) of the CCS pension rules if you are taking recourse to the low medical category of the person. Their policy decision at page 97, which I just read, my lord, said that no further retirements will be done. However, old cases, if they don't go to the court, keep them retired. If they go to the court, comply with the order and instate them, my lord. Today, my prayer is let them comply with their own policy decision. I am before this honorable court. If this honorable court gives an order in my favor, my lord, they have to reinstate me.
Where's your retirement order?
Well, this is my retirement order, man. That I would retire. I shall retire from service on the forenoon of 1st of September 2020. At page 89.
After completing 30 years,
30 years, madam. I completed 30 years on 31st of August.
not LMC.
They gave the order like this. Admitted position is that I am an LMC person, therefore they have retired me. In their affidavit, they have admitted it.
Is that correct?
Yes, Lordship, he is a LMC,
Yes.
low medical category.
Then what about this retirement order, 8th October 2019? Page 89. There's no, you're totally silent on LMC.
And Lordship will find at page 77 of their affidavit, page 77.
Para?
Para 17, my lord. Fifth line from the bottom starts with the word 1972, my lord. 1972 seems time immemorial. Petitioner was found to be unfit for further retention beyond 30 years of service as he was placed in low medical category for diabetes mellitus. Therefore, he was ordered to retire from service. Admitted position is they have done it because of low medical category. Order, they say, I have completed 30 years in public interest.
Low medical category, we have mentioned in our affidavit, Lordship.
In your affidavit, you've mentioned, in your affidavit, you've enclosed the retirement order, which says that on completion of
Yes.
30 years.
Here it
Now,
is
which one
not-
is correct?
Here it is not mentioned.
Which one is correct?
In our order, it is not mentioned.
So you're accepting that the retirement order is wrong? The affidavit says something else.
Yes.
Saying that he is coming under the LMC category and therefore he's not fit for service since he has diabetes
Yes.
M2. Correct?
Yes.
Your retirement order of 2019 clearly indicates that since you are completing 30 years of service, you retire from so and so dates. Now, which one is correct? Obviously, the order will have to be correct and then you have filed a wrong affidavit. Now you have para 17 and the retirement order is contradictory.
Here it is not mentioned, that's it.
That is what we're asking you. Why don't you take proper instructions? Why don't you prepare your case properly and come?
In this regard, I will take inspection, Lordship, but something, some other also maybe less.
Otherwise, this is a simple case. There's already a judgment passed by the court
Yeah.
saying that you take them back. Your policy says those who goes to court, we are going to take them back.
Yes.
On the other side, you filed that you've an affidavit at para 17 saying that since it comes under the LMC category, he's discharged from service.
Yeah.
And the retirement order speaks of something else. Which one is correct?
A medical board opinion is also there. Let's see, we have annexed it.
That's the reason what I'm asking you. Hey, para,
Trapped and trapped, my lord.
para 7. You're trapping yourselves.
If it is low medical category, this order has to go today, my lord. If
Just
it is
because-
because of completion of 30 years of service, they have to show that I have got a bad service record.
Yeah.
Either of the two ways, my lord, when
Which
nothing
one-
is
which-
there.
Which one, under which
have to
category
go
is
home.
he retiring?
In
Kindly
fact, my
take
the
it.
Meghalaya High Court has
Guru, I
given
will
the area
take
service also.
instruction, it will be.
Okay, let's just take some instruction.
The Meghalaya High Court order, my lord, have annexed. The entire back wages for around 8 years have been granted because they could not come up with an answer. The same case. Entire back wages have been allowed.
But our Majumdar and the council. On request made by MS,
Yes, Guru.
S. Barol and CDC. When do you want?
After we will check 19 or 20.
First week of May, my lord.
Third May?
Obliged.
Public.
22.
Yes. Ready? Look.
My lord, petitioner is eligible for second MSCP benefit from January 2022.
Second MSCP
Yes, my lord.
with effect from?
January 2022, my lord. When he completed 20 years of service, my lord. My lord, department has published a list, my lord, annexure 2, page 17, where petitioner name is not there, my lord. Then, my lord,
1 minute, page.
page 17, a list of the candidate, my lord, but petitioner name is not there. Then,
1 minute.
then my lord, petitioner submitted representation, why his name is not there. Representation, my lord, annexure 5, page 25.
Yes.
Then, my lord, in reply to that representation, he has given a reply, my lord, page 26, annexure 6, my lord. Page 26, kindly see. May I read, my lord? Page 26, annexure 6. It is intimated that so-and-so of your section was included in the screening board for grant of MSCP on completion of 10, 20, 30 years of continuous service for the period from 1st April 2021 to 30 September 2021. On scrutiny of the board, it has been observed that the individual was not recommended for grant of second MSCP on due date due to lacking of ACR criteria. This is in connection with so-and-so. That means, my lord, because of ACR, I have not been given second MSCP benefit. That is my case, my lord. But my case is there, my lord, that never communicated to me, my lord, that ACR criteria. Kindly see, my lord, annexure 1 of my writ petition, my lord, page 15. Page 15, my lord. And it is translated copy, my lord, original page 16. This is on the occasion of 15 August 2021, my lord. Department had issued a letter, my lord, saying that petitioner is an exemplary example of the department, my lord, because of his devotion of duties, and it should be included in his service career, my lord. And my lord, my case is a covered case, my lord. As per honor Supreme Court, my lord, uncommunicated SR cannot be taken into account, my lord. And this honorable court's order is also with me, my lord. Exactly similar case, my lord. Honorable court has given a direction to give me the benefit from the date where I am eligible. Kindly see, my lord.
Was it communicated to him?
No, my lord.
Not a case of adverse remark. It's a case of lack in the SER.
Huh?
It's a lacking in the SER, not case of adverse remark, lordship. Because of the lacking in the SER as by the criteria laid down in the applicable to the Assam rifle, lordship. Let us submit, then thereafter I will submit, lordship. And if she was to rely on that case, I have to take instruction to that whether any appeal has been preferred or not. If they have complied with it, then
No, my
she'll
lord.
be entitled to the same benefit, lordship. Let me take instruction to that regard.
In their affidavit, they have clearly stated it was not communicated.
No, where is the admission?
Yes. In affidavit in opposition, madam. Hello. Yes, many pages, yeah. Para 10, my lord, they have said it was not communicated to me. Many pages, yeah. So, my lord, my humble submission, it may be disposed of, my lord, on that line, my lord.
Any appeal filed?
I have to take instruction.
No, my lord. I know because that person is getting, my lord. I have the instruction.
Let me take instruction into that regard, lordship.
Moreover, my lord, Supreme Court is also very clear.
Okay, but MS S. Bora.
My lord.
Counsel for the petition. On request made by B. Chakravarti. Then it's CDC. When do you want?
After vacation, lord.
Please the matter. Give a date after vacation.
24.
Before the that was, my lord, endeavor shall be made, my lord, to dispose of that.
24th. April. In individual, you look at this.
My lord.
23.
Of last.
Please, Your Lordship. On the last two occasions, the respondent number 6, Your Lordship, which is the AICPE, was directed to file their affidavit. The matter pertains to the qualifications acquired by the petitioners in 2010 and 2014.
Yes, you are appearing?
For respondent number 1 to 4.
Mr. Kayal, my senior, he appears for respondent number 6. The matter here, Your Lordship,
And for respondent number 6, my senior is a legal coordinator.
no, without an affidavit,
Have you filed your affidavit?
No, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, we have not received instruction yet.
the instructions are there in the petition itself, Your Lordship, but I'll not go over that. Let them, last opportunity may be given because the petitioner's promotion has been due pursuant to an qualification.
Mr. M. Sharma.
M. Sharma,
then
my lord.
counsel for the petition. Also heard MS.
DJ.
D.
D.
Jane, learned counsel for the respondents.
1 to 4.
1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
1 to 4. Okay. On request made on behalf of Mr. Ezekiel, then a counsel for the respondent number 6.
6.
How much time do you require? I'm giving you as a last chance.
10 days, Lord. After being vacated, matter will be discussed.
Have you got your instructions?
I will have instructions. Sir.
And file affidavit within 10 days.
No, Lordship, 50 days may be allowed for filing affidavit.
3 weeks time. 3 weeks time is allowed. To file affidavit in opposition. As last chance.
If I may pray for a date, subject to
Please
Your
don't
Lordship's
give a
convenience.
Of May.
1st of May, I'm grateful, Your Lordship.
Degree of that.
24.
Any
Lordship,
instructions?
yes, Lordship, from respondent number 6, we have received instruction, Lordship. But we require this instruction from respondent number 2, 3, and 4, Lordship. So we'll be filing the affidavit, Lordship. Kindly allow me 2 weeks' time. for
Third,
res-
Mr.
Is this Sharma?
A.G. Sharma, then the counsel for the petitioner, M.S.M. Bhattacharya, then as additional senior government advocate. Is allowed another, how much?
Kindly allow me 2 weeks. By this time, we will file this
Allowed
affidavit.
2 weeks time to file affidavit. Stop. List the matter on.
Any date, Lordship, after 2 weeks?
Okay. Third, me.
3, 5.
25.
Obliged.
My lord, in this matter, affidavit of the respondent should be necessary. Notice was issued on way back on June last year, not filed.
My lord, I have entered appearance for respondent number 6 to 10, my lord. I filed my Okalatama. I'll maybe allowed my 3 weeks time to file my appearance.
6 to
10, my lord.
Private respondents.
Private response.
all the respondents.
Yes, my lord.
How about the health services?
Lordship, then I need some time to file my affidavit, Lordship.
You are applying for 125.
1 to 5, Lordship.
Okay. Third, Mr. J. Patwari, London Council for the petition. Mr. Diu Bamania, London Standing Council Health Department.
My lord,
And
S.
Mr.
Hazarika, my lord.
And Mr.
S. Hazarika, my lord.
S.
On behalf of
Hazarika,
people.
London Council. Appearing for the respondents.
6 to 10.
6 to 10. Jointly placed for
3 weeks.
3 weeks time to file the respective affidavit. Praise the Lord. Please come.
Deeply.
I'm deeply obliged.
26.
Lordship, in 26 to 30, Lordship, I need some time, Lordship, to file my affidavit, Lordship. Instruction is awaited, Lordship.
Lordship, last 2 occasions also they have taken time for filing their affidavit. Lordship, in the meantime, my interim pair may be considered because earlier similar cases already honorable court has granted. The
No, we'll see after, how much time will require?
Lordship, 2 weeks, Lordship, let it come for the affidavit.
Third, Mr.
L. Mohan.
L.
Mohan.
Mohan, London Council for the petition. On request made by Mr. D. Upamanya, London Standing Council,
Health, Lordship.
Health Department, how much time?
Also, let it come after 2 weeks because other respondents are also there, Lordship. They might.
Lordship, already the health department is required to file affidavit, your Lordship.
2 weeks. Are you sure 2 weeks?
Lordship,
Yeah, 2 weeks time is allowed to file contract.
With observation may be given a Lordship if they fail to file their reply by interim may be
If
considered.
no
Lordship.
affidavit is filed by the next suitable date, the prayer for interim shall be considered on
Date may be fixed, your Lordship.
list down. 29th April.
Obliged, Lordship.
Same order in all the other cases.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, can it be on Lordship 3rd of May, Lordship?
But item up to item
30.
Up to item 30, your Lordship.
30,
Highly obliged.
not separate orders, same orders.
Thirty-one.
Great, please, your Lordship.
My lord, I have been placed under suspension. Very good. My lord, I have been placed under suspension, my lord, pursuant to filing an FIR. And I was suspended on 5/4/2023. That order lordship will get at page 28. Whereas a report has been received from the settlement officer at Kachar and Hailakandi district, Silchar by letter dated so and so regarding arrest of Mohammad Misbauddin Laskar, Patwari of this establishment now working under the disposal of the settlement officer at Kachar and Hailakandi district, Silchar, for third resettlement operation by the team of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Assam in connection with ACBPS case number so and so on 28/3/2023. My lord can skip the second paragraph. Considering the above facts and as per sub-rule 2 of 6 of Assam Service Discipline Appeal Rules 1964, Mohammad Misbauddin Laskar Patwari is hereby placed under suspension pending departmental proceeding. Thereafter, my lord, I applied for bail, my lord, and I was granted. That lordship will find at next page, my lord, 29.
on 25/5/2023, I was enlarged on bail. After coming out from judicial custody, my lord, I came a copy of the so-called notice was served upon me.
You still continue to be under suspension.
Yes, my lord. From 1 year has passed, my lord. I am still under suspension. Page 32 is the so-called notice, my lord. And my lord, at page 36, they have the charges. May I read, my lord, at page 32? It's related to, my lord, section 7A of PC Act, my lord. There's an allegation that I have taken a bribe of rupees 7,000, my lord, and I was caught red-handed. Page 36, my lord, kindly turn to page 36. By this order, my lord, the inquiry officer and presenting officers were appointed. And my lord, I've submitted my reply to the so-called notice on 13/6/2023. At page 37, denying the charges, my lord.
Yeah.
Then, my lord, the departmental proceeding is going on, my lord. It's still pending. Then they issued the impugn order at page 41, my lord. This order has been passed in reference to the earlier so-called notice 20/05/2023. It was passed on 22nd September, my lord, got it, my lord, at page 41. You are hereby informed that under Rule 9 of Assam Service Discipline Appeal Rules 1964, read with Article 3 and 11 of Constitution of India, and Rule 18 of Fundamental Rule and Subsidiary Rule, as to why the penalty as prescribed in Rule 7(7), the dismissal from service which shall ordinarily be disqualification for future employment of the aforesaid rule, should not be inflicted upon you on the following charges based on the statement of facts and allegation attached herewith: insubordination, disobedience of government rules and regulations, gross negligence.
After disciplinary proceeding,
Disciplinary proceeding still continuing, my lord.
still continuing now.
Yes, my lord. I submitted my reply on same set of charges. They have issued this impugn notice, my lord, in reference to the earlier so-called notice. And by way of this so-called notice, they asked me to submit another reply. And if I fail, then I will be dismissed from service, my lord, in violation of 1011, my lord. And my lord, subsistence allowance was not paid to me. When I approached this honorable court was directed them to pay me the subsistence allowance. Now I'm getting that, my lord. But my lord, my suspension order has not been reviewed till date, my lord. As per Rule 6(2), after my coming out from the judicial custody, they can vacate the suspension, my suspension, my lord. But that has not been done. And as per Ajay Chaudhary, my lord, after three months period, if you furnish the so-called notice, there has to be requirement for review of the suspension order. That has not been done.
Yes, Bora?
Lordship, if I may state, this particular writ petition is premature because right now this disciplinary proceeding is going on.
No. How can
Now-
it be premature when you're
Now-
looking at, we got the.
This is the recent statement of defense. After this, your lordship, in any disciplinary proceeding, first a proposed notice is issued. Against this proposed notice,
show cause is issued,
show cause is issued.
you are asked to reply to the show cause.
Yes. Then after
After
that,
you
presenting
consider this, inquiry officers
Yes,
and the presenting officers are appointed.
yes, sir.
Departmental proceeding proceeds, inquiry officer submits his inquiry report. Has that report been submitted or not?
No, your lordship,
Why?
not yet, not yet.
Why?
Because the disciplinary proceeding is a state, your lordship.
By whom?
There is no stay in the disciplinary proceeding. There is an
Because,
order
the
for
interim
payment
order
of
is-
subsistence allowance, my lord.
Interim order is at place, your lordship,
No
I've been
discussion.
told, because
No,
of course,
no.
here in the disciplinary proceedings is not been stated.
My lord, 27/9/2023 order may kindly be produced, my lord.
This order, this 22/9/2022 has been stated. your
This
lordship.
is state, my lord.
State.
That order has been state, but
Your lordship, after this written statement of defense, then only, as far as my knowledge goes, then only presenting officer is appointed, then inquiry officer. If they don't go, accept the written statement of defense, then presenting officer, then inquiry officer.
So you
then
have
inquiry-
appointed that, correct?
Inquiry officer has been appointed as per this particular affidavit. Your lordship, if I may
Page
take your
36, my
lordship,
lord.
if I may,
As per the writ petition.
as per my
The
affidavit, your lordship,
presenting officer as well as the inquiry officer has been appointed by,
Appointed.
by an order. dated 23rd May 2023.
23.
All right,
Yes,
now proceeding will start.
yes. Let the proceeding start, then he may participate, he
No,
may
have,
cross-examine
did
the witness.
anybody stay the proceedings?
No, proceedings have not been stated. As
Then
of
How,
today.
how come can you, how can you issue this order?
This is not a punishment. This is not a final dismissal order, your lordship. If I may state, your lordship, this is not. a
Another
final
show cause notice is, has been given.
This is not the final
Rule
dismissal
18,
order.
rule
They can, of course, if a final dismissal order is passed, wherein he was not given any
No,
opportunity.
no, what order is this?
This is basically filing a written statement of defense in
Page
in
41, I'm asking you page 41.
Yes, yes, I'm on page number 41 only. As to why the penalty prescribed in Rule 7, that is dismissal from service, shall not ordinarily be a disqualification from further of the offence could not be inflicted upon you. This is precursor to a final dismissal order, your lordship. If suppose, because let me seek instructions on this particular.
My lord, they have already
matter.
filed affidavit, my lord. They have to review my order,
Because that should be
suspension
quite
order.
clear on this particular.
So
One thing is
they
very
cannot improve their case, my lord, now.
a simple reading by any person would indicate that you are trying to inflict a punishment upon the petitioner by way of
Good.
disqualification, by way of dismissal from service.
What they have written in the affidavit, your lordship, if I may take your lordship to page number 45 of the affidavit, internal running page 45, at paragraph number 8.
Yes.
I'll come straight to further. Further, the deponent begs to state that as the matter was moved to higher authority and the petitioner was already charged under Rule 9, Sub-Rule 10B of the Assam Dismissal Appeal Rules, 1964, read with, this is not Article 164, this is a typographical mistake, this should be Article 311, lordship. And Rule 7 of Fundamental Rules and a subsidiary rule as to why penalty as prescribed in Rule 7 shall not be imposed upon him, that is, as the aforesaid petitioner served as Patwari under the establishment of settlement officer Kachar. Moreover, under the charges level and against the petitioner, no apology can be granted from this end, as the petitioner was caught red-handed in taking bribe against the complaint or the complainants by the vigilance and anti-corruption some and charges of insubordination and gross negligence of duty and performing unlawful activities in office have been inflicted against him. So, then your lordship, then that the statements in paragraph 11 of the writ petition are incorrect. Further, the deponent petitioner did not submit any written statement within the stipulated time as per Rule 9 of the Assam Disciplinary Services, because earlier he has most probably not submitted the written statement of defense.
So that I have shown to your lordship, my lord. In my writ petition, I have annexed it.
That's why they've stated
My
that.
lord, one thing is there, my lord.
See, disciplinary proceeding is under process, correct? Or is it state?
Not state.
Not
So it is under process.
Yes, my lord.
Inquiry officer has given its report or not?
That I have to seek instructions. That what is the present state of that particular display?
Once the inquiry report gives his report,
Then
petitioner is entitled to get a copy of the inquiry report. On the basis of that, another show cause is given. Correct? Have you done any of these steps and then suddenly you issue this page 41 order?
Your lordship, here they have stated that department proceeding is in final stage and final report of inquiry has also been dispatched to the petitioner's address on 22/9/2023.
Where?
At paragraph number 10. Page 46. That the statements made in paragraph 12 of the writ petition are incorrect. And the deponent denied this, which are not borne out of order. Deponent begs to state, as per Rule 9, the petitioner need to submit his written reply before the appointing authority. The department proceeding is in final stage and final report of inquiry has been also dispatched to the petitioner's address on 22/9/2023.
I don't understand what type of an affidavit is this?
And
you say it is in final stage, then you say the final
Yes,
inquiry report.
and no report has been received by me, my lord.
Let
You
me
get
see this.
proper instructions,
Yes, sir.
otherwise.
that is
My lord, what
I
type
need
of
to get
instruction, my
instructions on
lord?
this. What is the present state?
Whether
this
the
particular
inquiry has been completed, whether inquiry report has been submitted by the inquiry officer.
and whether it has been
In terms
by
of
him.
para 10.
Yes. Sir. It is somewhat incomplete, your lord.
My lord,
This is some serious. I'm noticing something very serious here. This is not a manner in how the government is expected to function.
The language of that particular affidavit is also somewhat not very clear, Your Lordship. Let me get instruction as to what is the present state of whether that
You file
procedure.
an affidavit which is totally contradictory to actually the process that is going on.
As per the, I have to submit, Your Lordship.
In fact, the person,
The proper set of instructions and then get
I'll
a.
give you a very short date.
Yes, Your Lordship. This one, Kasar, Your
He
Lordship.
can't be allowed to suffer like.
My lord, in
Your
the
Lordship,
meantime, my
sir,
lord, I may be reinstated, my lord. Because they have already filed an affidavit.
Suspension.
Yes, my lord.
That
Why they
also
are
have
not
to
reviewing,
get
my lord?
Instructions whether review has taken.
1 year passed, my lord. Every time they
That
seek
also
instruction, my lord.
Is necessary.
And this time, even after filing this affidavit, they
course,
now
like,
want to file another affidavit, my
Let
lord.
not apply here because after paragraph 22 will apply here because disciplinary proceedings.
But
are
rule
already
62
started.
will apply, my lord. 62 of 64 rules apply, my lord. My suspension may period may kindly be reviewed, my
That
lord.
will see. But Mr.
RM Dekam.
RM Dekal and comes. On request made by Mr. Hebo. Oral and document. Government. Please the matter on.
Your Lordship, Kasar elect, I think they're going on election on April 19th. So after that, Your Lordship. 26th, Your Lordship. After 26th, Your Lordship.
We'll have it on 26.
My lord, in the meantime, my lord, kindly, my lord. My
That order I'll pass.
My lord.
26 will be
Not
difficult.
today, not today. I'll pass. it.
After,
1 year has
after
been-
26, Your Lordship, after 26.
How you extending?
Lordship, May first, May 2nd, Your Lordship.
On
First,
second May,
2nd May, Your Lordship.
to enable him to receive instructions. Stop. The internal government shall also take further instructions as to whether the suspension of the petitioner has been reviewed by the authorized instance.
On second, my lord. And deeply obliged, lord.
It's 5 minutes.
My lord.
Who's the other side?
Higher Education Department. Not you take it up on, fix it for disposal at the admission stage.
When do you want?
After opening, any date which is convenient for a lodge.
Then it also for the petition of subjects. The applications are complete. Stop. Accordingly, wish this matter for admission hearing. When do you want?
Can it be on the 25th of April, your lordship? Deeply obliged.
33 of Delhi List order.
But we have filed an affidavit. Most of the payments have been made.
Where's your affidavit?
Most of them. Well, they have filed the affidavit. Well, there are three components, my lord. Gratuity, leave salary, and area salary. Gratuity and leave salary, they have paid. The area salary part, my lord, that is the major part, they have not paid.
Why?
That lordship, we are citing lordship lack of funds because when Fishfed was incorporated, lordship, it had to suffer losses. And subsequently now, the parent department has been moved for funds, lordship, fishery department.
See, the issue is this. Financial constraint for an error salary. Can you take that excuse?
Everyone is not receiving it, lordship. That is the status. It is unfortunate, lordship, but everyone in Fishpage is not getting.
Have you sent the proposal
Yes, lordship, proposal has been sent.
for payment of error salary to the petitioner?
No, to the parent department for additional funds, lordship.
When was it sent?
As per our instructions, lordship.
I get an updated status report with regard to the proposal.
I'll get.
Third, IS cycle and the council for the petition. Mr.
I port.
I ported. Protocol Understanding Council, Learned Council for
respond-
the respondents.
Respondent, lot 1 and 4.
Respondents 1 and 4 submits. That the, what you have got, Saikya?
Leave salary and gratuity I have
That
received.
the leave salary and gratuity has been paid to the petitioner. However, with regard to the area salary, the proposal has been sent to the parent department. When?
Lordship, as per our instructions, the fishery department was already moved, Lordship, in 2018 itself, but I'll get,
2018, what is this? Today we are in 2024.
I'll get the updated status for sure.
Then say has already been paid to the petitioner, no? Leave salary and gratuity. Stop. With regard to the error salary application. Then the council for the respondents 1 and 4. Place for how much time?
Sometime it will be
How much
4
time?
weeks, Lordship.
Place for 4 weeks time to enable him to receive instructions. Updated instructions. This after 4 weeks.
Six a date.
One a day. 15th week.
I think 34 also same, my lord.
34.
Same.
Same.
Error salary. is
Same,
paid.
same, my lord, same department, same.
Same affidavit.
Same order.
Oblige, ma'am.
35.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of R.A. Ahmed.
Hmm.
As per my information, today received affidavit and I may allow to do it which time for a reply on that.
Who filed the affidavit?
We have only filed it on behalf of 1, 2, and 3.
When did you file?
Lordship, doing this day, today only.
Yeah, along on behalf of R.A. Ahmed.
But Mr. A. Alam, then the council appearing on behalf of Mr. R. A. Ahmed, then the council for the petition. MS
A Lodha,
A. Lodha, then the council appearing on behalf of respond number
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3, submit that they have filed an affidavit this morning. So, registered to verify and place the same on record.
And Lordship,
Then the council for the petitioner, waits for how much time?
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time to file reply to the affidavit filed by the respondents, 1, 2, and 3. Please allow list of teachers.
Lordship, respondent number 2 has been transferred.
Yeah, appearing for 1 and 4.
1, 2, and 3. So the other person
What
is
did I say on to? What? Yes, sir, no? Yeah. Okay, okay. Then I'm giving you the file certificate. So it's time to file the reply to the counter filed by respondent 1. In the meantime, respondent 2 has been transferred out. So you will have to file an implement application.
Deeply obliged.
36.
May I please? My lord, out of this common judgment, my lord, another contempt is to be listed, my lord. That is contempt case number 719/2023. This there in that case, my lord, they have filed the appearance, my lord. So this also come along with that one.
Okay, on request made by Mr. B. Purvayasan and counsel for the petition. List is contempt case along with contempt case number
719/2023.
after
On, my lord, first week of May, my lord, on 3rd of May,
third, many cases, 6th May.
6th of May.
37.
Need please, your lordship.
I filed an application for motivation of the order dated 11/3/24, whereby in the DPC proceeding has been stayed, my lord. I have that annexure is in page, my lord. Page, my lord, the order, annexure, page page 20. 1920.
22, isn't it?
22, yes, 22. Is that the hard, Mr. S. Dr. Lana Senior Counsel has to be S. Dr. Issue notice, petition to take steps. In the meantime, the result of DPC, the promotion from E5 to E6 and E4 to shall not be declared, my lord. So where were, my lord, in this case, if this so happened, my lord, then, my lord, what happened, my lord? If this so happened, that the entire DPC process has been said, entire promotion result has been held up.
Yes.
Yes, in that case, my lord, it will be ignorance on the part of the corporation, my lord. It will totally affect the corporation.
Yes.
So many categories are
Your
there.
Lordship, kindly see the modus operandi of the management. Right from DPC 2015 to 16, 20, 21, 22. Everywhere when the DPC is conducted, like in DPC 2022, when the DPC is conducted on 8/9/2023, it is given effect to in the year 1/4/2022. Now let them show the rule which allows them to do that.
See, what they've done is they've made an application.
Yes, they are giving promotion to everyone
No,
junior to me.
for modification of the interim order.
Yes,
Correct.
modification. Yes, yes.
I'm not going on the merit of the case, my lord.
1 minute, 1 minute. In the last occasion, no notice was issued, but your senior appeared
Yes, your Lordship.
and he wants to obtain some instructions.
Yes.
Are you filing an objection to this IA or not?
I can file an objection.
Otherwise, if you're not filing objection, we'll allow the IA.
I'll
That's
file an
what we are
objection.
saying.
I'll file.
But I'll give you a very short date.
Okay.
My lord, my submission is there, my lord. I'm not going to affect his right. My submission is that there are for E4 to E5, there are 103 candidates they are appearing. And for the post of E5 to E6, 30 is appearing, my lord. They are appearing. So in the processing has been stalled, others are affected.
That we have understood.
Yes. So what is the thing that, my lord, my simple prayer is that I think you will have to consider that let the one post be reserved for the E5 and E6, and if necessary, the other 4 responded, private responded, against whom their allegation has been made, let their result be held up. In that case, his right will be affected, not be affected.
Your Lordship, apart from that, there are certain other candidates also who were junior to me in all the
They are
DPC
not,
conducted.
now they are making a new story, my lord.
I'll give a objection.
They are not a party also.
Okay.
Immediately after vacation.
No.
But Shri
Yes, Mitra.
is Mitra and the counsel for the petition. For the applicant.
Objection.
Stop. Mr.
As the
Yes, Datta Learned Counsel appearing for the opposite party of the grid. Press for a short time to file objection. This is the matter on press allowed. This on, when do you want?
20
No, 20 Sunday, my lord, let it be listed 19, my lord.
20 Saturday.
19 will be.
19th is a holiday, I think it's an election day. Isn't it?
19.
Then 22 Monday. It's Monday.
23, 24, I'm not here, my lord. I'm just going to Calcutta. 18, my lord. 18 will be better after vacation.
It's up to you.
18.
Objection.
You have to copy this or?
38 hearing.
Yeah, your lordship, we received the record, but I have to go through the records, your lordship.
No, Lordship, on last occasion,
Day
they
after
told that,
vacation, your lordship.
no, Lordship already heard this matter in part, and then on next date, Lordship, they apprised that some other record they have taken. On first occasion, the record was with the government advocate, Lordship. And on second date, they said that some different records have been received. And now they're saying they have to go through the record. Already hearing was done in presence.
Because
I am suffering, Lordship.
I have gone through the everything. I have gone through the brief, but the records I have to go through because what does the record say? I'm not aware of it. Lordship.
It is his duty, Lordship. Today is fixed for part heard hearing, Lordship. He should have
Okay,
gone
we
through
will
the
see after
records,
vacation,
Lordship. I am suffering, Lordship. Major punishment was given. I was removed from the service and still criminal case is pending, Lordship. So hurriedly,
She has been dismissed from service. Her client has been dismissed from service, your lordship. And that for a
my
heinous
salary
crime.
also withheld,
That is
lordship.
for a heinous crime, your lordship, or rape.
Let us see
That is what. Your lordship, let me go through the record as to whether the disciplinary proceedings were conducted as per the rule and how.
when do you want?
Yeah, your lordship, immediately after vacations. Lordship.
I have taken one ground that.
This is a
lordship-
portrait matter.
Yes, lordship.
18, 19, 20, this court on this.
Lordship. When available, lordship then.
Would have it on 23rd,
Lordship.
Your lordship.
the hearing day,
Lordship.
3rd MS, R Chowdhury.
23rd, maybe it's a holiday. Maybe it's a holiday, lordship.
It's a holiday.
Yes, lordship. 21, this court is not available. Here it is black mark. 23rd to holiday. No. Then it's.
3rd MS, R Chowdhury.
Oh, sorry. 23rd.
Stop. On request made by Mr. D. Bora, learning governor. It's a D. Bora, learning governor, that submits that he has received the reports and prays for a short time to enable him to go to the same. Please allow, please start 23rd.
Lordship, my objection may be recorded and no further adjournment may be
It is made clear that no further argument shall be
granted to the government.
on the next.
To the government, and I have not taken time.
It is made clear that there is no further argument on the next day.
Lordship, I'm deeply obliged. Lordship.
39.
May it please your lordship.
This matter relates to lordship dismissal from service, lordship. And petitioner was a constable in the government of Assam under Assam Police Department, lordship. While he was on duty, lordship, some drugs like substances have been recovered from his possession as alleged in the departmental proceeding, lordship. Thereafter, lordship, Annexure 7, that is the lordship impugn order by way of which he was dismissed from service, lordship. Page 30, lordship. Page 30.
Yes.
May I read that, lordship? May I read, lordship? Lordship, whereas a departmental proceeding number 08 of 2016 was drawn up against UBC 1601 Lalimiya Chaudhary.
Bhattacharya, you are ready?
Lordship, one occasion, lordship actually called for the record, but the record is not received. This is their lordship.
Lordship, may I submit one thing, lordship? They have submitted an affidavit, lordship. And in the affidavit, they have categorically stated that they have lost all the records.
Let us have one more.
In the affidavit, lordship, their affidavit may, affidavit in opposition, lordship.
So are you going to produce the
Okay.
reports or not?
Lordship,
Records?
they have filed one, yeah, I have done so. They have filed one FIR, lordship, where they have stated that they will investigate into the matter. This is of September 21, lordship. But what actually has happened thereafter, lordship? This is the affidavit of 2021, and this is of September 21.
FIR.
Yes. So lordship may fix it after 2 weeks, and in the meantime, lordship, whatever the outcome of the FIR on this, I shall appraise and accordingly lordship may dispose of the matter.
Third, Mr.
R. Fupan.
R. Fupan. On request may be able to have the charges.
May I pray for a date, lordship, because 2017 matter. Okay.
Second,
Lordship. Obliged, lordship.
Oblige, dear lordship.
40, 41 and 42.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, my senior bid forecaster is on leg at court number 1. Can it be taken up at 2 PM, lordship?
My lord, it's a hearing matter with regarding the dues and regarding to the payment of that has to be made during the promotion. So as per we already filed the pleadings have been completed. So it will take some time with the, so my lord may decide, my lord may take up at 2. I'm ready with the hearing.
We'll see. Let's see what happens.
At 2.
How long will it take?
my lord, it will take some time because I have the here, there's a three matters are there. Even though they are anomalous, the facts are a bit of different one,
All three facts are different.
are a bit different.
Then we'll fix a date on the hearing.
Yes, Lordship.
On request made on behalf of Mr. P. Pulga Estel and the council for the petitioner. Please, Don, when do you want?
Short date may be given, Lordship.
25th April.
25th.
My lord, I request to be on for the month of May, my lord.
May
7th May.
Okay,
7th week. Obliged, Lord.
It is basically the financial upgradation, MSCP. So we have said that you have already got promoted. That is the entire case. Lord. Actually, my lord, this judgment is almost covered by his lordship judgment. So I'll produce it on the next day.
That's right.
Yeah, I have the copy of.
Can I see the judgment?
I have the citation. I will get it.
Okay, then it's all right.
43.
We have further responded. Last occasion also none appears. Okay, none appears for the petitioner. Mr. A.K. Sahiwala, learned counsel appears on behalf of the
Bank of India.
respondent bank.
Respondent.
Correct?
My lord.
Is the matter after
4 weeks, 15th of May.
After 3 weeks.
Deeply available.
Let's come, let's come. Thank you.
Am I audible, Lordship?
Yes, yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is an IA for vacation of an order, my lord, dated 22/3/2024, passed in WBC 1603 of 24, my lord. My lord,
I've seen that.
My lord.
The issue is we have to issue a notice.
My lord. But my lord, there is one aspect, my lord. This writ petition was filed by an association, my lord, which does not have any locus. The association, if my lord looks at the name, my lord, it is an association of Ahom Madhyamik Shikkok and Kormosari Santha. That is, my lord, teachers and employees association.
That you can take up in the writ petition.
Yes, my lord. My lord, my only anxiety, my lord, is because of the stay order, my lord, my continuation would be affected, my lord. So, my lord, if my lord just makes a clarification, my lord, because the stay order, my lord, will be prospective, it cannot be retrospective. So, my lord, that I would not be affected by the operation of the stay order. I'm
I'd like to file reply, my lord. What my friend is not absolutely correct, my lord.
Let Mr. Das file his objection.
My
will take up in a short, within a 5th day.
My lord, till that time, my lord.
No.
Because, my lord, I'm not holding any substantive post, my lord. It's only the post of in charge, my lord. I'm a national awardee, my lord.
Issue notice. Majumdar, you have to? Mr. H.K. Das, legal counsel. Appears for respond number 1. And Mr. R. Majumdar, learned standing counsel. School Education Department for the respondents. 2,
3, 4.
No, one is personal department.
In the
Page 3.
Page 3 of the.
You also for the personal department.
My lord, not on the replication, my lord, it lordship as the IA page number 3.
I'm on the IA.
Page number 3.
C2 personal department.
I'll let you for 2 and 4.
2 and 4.
2 and
3 I will not.
3 is important.
She's the government advocate, my lord.
Have you finished
Copy,
copy?
we have filed it yesterday only, my lord.
No, have you served copy on all? On all the respondents?
I have already served, my lord, yesterday.
See the service copy? Notice.
My lord, the government advocate can appear, my lord.
Just pick the Mr. H.K. Das from the council for the applicant party number one of the application. Wait for 1 week time.
Milord, a little bit more, 2 weeks time, Milord. Nothing will happen, Milord. There is an order in the IA itself which provides for continuation of the service of the applicant. Only thing is that they wanted to change the entire scheme by keeping the principal post occupied by a retired person in alienation of the original scheme, Milord.
That is for 2 weeks time. I know. 2 weeks time to file on this. Very sorry. Respond, give a date immediately after 2 weeks.
26.
26.
26.
26.
My lord, could I pray for some accommodation, my lord? Could it be on first, my lord?
It's up to you. There's no issue on that.
My lord, on first of May,
But
my
then that article 226.
My lord, or 25th, my
Is an
lord.
application under article 226.
Yes, my lord, 226, my lord, on 25th, my lord.
No, this is not an application under article 2.
No, it's not under 2263.
No, it's not under 226.
Oh, I'm so sorry, my lord. I'm so sorry, my lord. First,
fine.
My lord, deeply obliged.
And what about
Deeply.
the other respondent who, government advocate can accept?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. D. Bora, then government advocate appeals for the respondent, opposite party number 3, correct? 3, opposite party.
3, my lord. Deeply obliged.
Deeply.